Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're all doing well. Today I will show you guys how to manage your groups in LuckPerms. So let's get right into the video. Alright, so a lot of you guys have been asking for this, so I'm finally here. I'm doing it. Are you, are you happy? So the first command you want to do is actually a command in the server console. Here on Minehut it looks like this. For you it might look totally different, but it's the same command you want to type in. So we want to type LP, which is LuckPerms of course, user, your username, permission, set LuckPerms.star, and then true. And this basically gives you all the permissions of LuckPerms, so you don't need to have op or whatever to use all these commands within the plugin. This is very important. You need to do this first. So let's do that and let's get into it. So the first thing that you can do is you can type /lp, which is LuckPerms of course, and then it will tell you what version of the plugin that you're running. Then it will also tell you that you could do /lp help, which is a very useful command because it shows you all the commands within the plugin that you can use. Now today we're not going to use a lot of them. I'm just going to show you a few. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create a group. Now you're going to type /lp, and then it actually also comes up here, but you're going to type create group, that one, and then we're gonna name it something. So on my server I have no groups, so let's just make a owner group for me. There you go, owner was successfully created. Alright, so the next thing we want to do is type /lp and then editor, and now it has provided a link for us which we're going to click. Now this is what the link opens. This is a virtual editor. You don't even need to type commands in Minecraft and stuff. You can edit everything very easily here, which is incredible. It's really a new way of doing this, and I really like this. So as you can see, you can manage your users here. You got your groups here. I believe that LuckPerms always has this default group, which all players will be added to by default when they join the server for the first time. And now we have my owner group that we just created. Let's click on that one. So in here you can see we got all the permission nodes listed. We haven't added nothing yet. Now the first thing we're going to talk about is parent groups. So you can add a parent group right here. Right now I only have these two groups, but if you click on default, this basically means that the owner rank here also has all the permissions within this group that we just added. So if you want like you know, coal, diamond, gold, whatever ranks, and you want the higher ranks to have all the same permissions as the lower ranks, then you can just add the whole group to the permissions instead of typing all the permissions in again. Now the next thing here is that I'm going to show you guys how to add permissions. So you can click down here to enter permissions, and actually you can search here and find your permission. So if you're not sure what the permission is named, then you can actually search here. And it also has all the permissions from all the plugins that you have in your server. This is very useful. So what are we going to give it? Something like multiverse create whatever. This plugin, that plugin, or that permission right there. This basically does so a person can create another world with multiverse. Doesn't really matter right now. Let's just add it. So You can add an expiry date. That's like a date where the permission gets removed from the group if you want it to be there for like a temporary amount of time. Then we can also do the value. So if you have a group that already has a lot of permissions and you want a specific permission for them not to be able to do, like /spawn or something, then you can set the value to false, and then whatever permission you put in here, they're not gonna have. Context, we're not gonna talk about that now. We're just gonna add the permission. So now we have added the permission right here. And you can also edit stuff right here, the expiry, whatever. So you can edit all of that after you've added the permission as well. You can do the same thing if you click on users, and then you can add specific permissions to this user. What we want to do, we want to add my own group here. We want to set that to owner. Right there, and I also have the default one. Yeah, so now I'm owner. You can do it the same way as you did with the owner group here with the parent groups. Then you do it here as well. So if you give a person that permission, then it basically just means that it has all the permissions of this group. And yeah, when you're done editing whatever you want to edit in here, you click save up here, and then it provides you with a command that you type in inside the game. So let's copy that and let's head back into the game. Alright, we're back in the game, and I'm gonna type the command in, and let's see what happens if I click enter. Now it's listing all the things that it has done. It has added these two permissions to the owner rank, and it has added this permission to me, the user fan staff. Right then. So now I have the owner rank. Alright, so to check this, like what rank do I have, we can type LP user fan staff and info, and there we have it. It's listing my groups and all my other data, my prefixes, suffixes, whatever, what world I'm in. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a prefix to the group, because as you can see now, there's nothing in front of my name, only the world, which has nothing to do with this plugin, so ignore the puzzle thing. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to type LP group owner meta add prefix 1, and then we're going to type the prefix. This number right here stands for the priority. So if you are in more than one group and both of these groups has a prefix, the prefix that will be displayed in front of your name is the one with the highest priority number. So we're just going to set that to 1 right now, because I have no other prefixes. And then we're just going to type something like owner like this. And there we go. Also, one thing I forgot to mention is that you need Vault and Essentials Chat to make the prefix work. The prefixes and suffixes work. One thing I found with Minehut, I'm using Minehut right now, is that you need Essentials as well. So Essentials Chat won't be enough, you need this one as well. Links will be in the description. But if you're using Minehut as me, you can just search up here, search Essentials, and then download Essentials and the Essentials Chat, and you get Vault as well. Right there. Now we're back in the game with all of the plugins installed, and when I type in the chat, my prefix says owner. One little quick thing I want to add is that you can actually type LP user fanstaff, or yeah, your username of course, and then meta, and then you can add a prefix to a specific user instead, or a suffix, for example. So let's just do a suffix with hi. There we go. So when I type in chat, I have a suffix that says hi. Alright, that's pretty much it for today, guys. If you have any further questions, make sure to join my Discord server, link in the description, and ask your questions there. And anyway, I hope you liked the video. If you did, click the like button and leave a sub if you want more great content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.